This video is to show you how to import a PowerPoint into your Teams meeting. So the way that you share your screen is by the box button. When you click it, you have a couple of options. One of them is to share your desktop. Others will share your windows. But to upload your PowerPoint so that you can also see the chat while you're presenting, you're going to go to the PowerPoint section and click Browse. From Browse, you're going to upload from my computer and then find the PowerPoint that you would like to share. When you open it, you're going to, it's going to upload it for you. It might take a minute, so you might want to start this before class begins. And then here's your presentation. This way, if you want to see what's happening over in the chat, you can do that and still have access to your PowerPoint over in the document. This would also allow you to do a half screen, and if you wanted to see your notes on the other side, you could open up the PowerPoint and be able to see your notes on the other side of your screen.